Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Virgos. So, first for our daily reading, these are the cards. For our love reading and career situation, I'll be picking one card each from another deck. So this is for your career situation, guys, and this is for our love energy. One more card, and one card from the oracle guidance. So that will be a general guidance, what we can follow to make things go in a harmonious way, guys, in our situation, Virgos. So let's start with the daily reading first. Ace of Wands in reverse, Page of Swords, and Five of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in our situation today, guys, you are very honest and truthful today, and you feel that you cannot hold yourself from telling the truth. Maybe some situation in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. So you want to tell the truth, you want to reveal what you feel in your heart of hearts. And maybe in your situation today, in your career or in your personal life, there may be something, some kind of a new beginning coming your way, but in order to sustain that growth or sustain that new beginning, that offer, you have to make great efforts and use all your skills to have that situation today, guys, to move forward in that situation. So you may be working too much to make things go for your benefit, guys, and again something in your career or something in your personal life, there may be, you may be seeing some revival in your work, maybe some projects or some deals which should have stalled or suspended, that is coming back, or some person you would not have seen them for a long time, they are coming to visit you all of a sudden, maybe. So that is what I see for your daily reading, Virgos. So what is the card for your career situation, guys? Queen of Earth. I hope you can see the card here. With this card in your career situation, guys, you are really practical and grounded. So you are a responsible person. You know what you need to do today, and you have that commitment in your heart to work, make those efforts to reach success. So you use your skills and abilities very well to make that opportunities manifest for you, guys. That is what I see with this card in your career situation. So what is the card for your relationship? Call. So with this card in your relationship today, you have if you have that true intention in this connection, guys, and maybe you know your intention, if it is true love, you want to take it forward, because with the previous cards I saw you are a person of honesty. So the true purpose of your connection you will know today, guys. If you are truthful, and if this person is also truthful, you will know what you need to do. So the same way, if that person is not true, and if you are not true in this connection, it may move towards separation, guys. That is what I see with this card here. So you are trying to express your true feelings and your true self in this connection. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Virgo. So what is the card for your oracle guidance? Thinker. So with this card, it may be something you need to do in your work or in your personal life. You have to think anything before you proceed, guys. That strategy and planning you need to have in your life. So when you something in your relationship, it may mean when you do not find that common ground between yourself and that person, you cannot force this relationship work, guys. So you have to let this relationship go. Facts of facts, sometimes certain connections it may not work, so you have to let it go. Same way in your career, when you go for that calculated action, focus your steps on what you need to do, you will see success, guys. Otherwise it may lead to failure. So you have to clearly think. You should not make false assumptions today. So you have to let go of some false assumptions that you have in your situation and see the truth and think clearly before you step into anything. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.